Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a way which you can get a private foreign number for free. In this platform, what this platform do is once you register, they give you a unique foreign number which is just for you. That you can use to contact and message and make also a call with the number with the people on the platform as well. So it is easy, you don't need VPN, it is available in all country, which is amazing. So I will make this video as short as possible. So let's just dive in. So head over to my Play Store and download this called Zangi right here. So you install this. Zangi is just like Telegram, but since Telegram you have to register with your number, this do not require that. They give you a personal foreign number, which is amazing. So I will recommend you use it as fast as possible, because when the business keep expanding, there will be a time they will start asking for payment to get the number. So it's better to get it now when it is free. Okay. So we just wait for it to load. As you can see here in there, you can see, yeah, and also have a nice review. So let's just dive in. Let's open. So you just click on here. If you already have account, you can click on sign in. You can see they're asking for Zangi number, which is the number they give you. But since we don't have the number yet, we click on accept and register. Wait a little bit for it to load. Just continue. Allow. Then yeah, let us. Then yeah, you just say to and password. Just let me just keep this for now. So as you can see, this is my Zangi number, which she just gave me. So I can just click on continue, and this just run me. Okay, continue. So this is my Zangi foreign number. So as you can all see, you can this where you can message, you can send message to anyone. Here continue. Here you can call anyone. It's cool, right? You can see chat, invites, everything is there. It's just cool. That's it. So thank you for watching.